At the outset, can I just throw in a caveat that there are 4 amazing lawyers and 1 layman. So if after the debate I am found in contempt of the court, can one of them or all of them represent me pro bono? I'll be very grateful.
It will be my
Uh,
privilege.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Look, I dare say, Rahul, there is more democracy in the RWA than in the judiciary. Bags of cash is found in a judge's home. And what steps are taken? An in-house probe, a nudge, a rap on the knuckles with a feather, a one-way ticket to another city court. I mean, has the Supreme Court suddenly turned into an investigative agency? Where is the FIR? Where is the suo moto thing to involve the investigative agencies, the CBI or the ED? If it was another citizen of this country, the Supreme Court would have acted almost immediately, ordered a probe. Is the Chief Justice of India now an investigative agent as well? The judicial system is broke. But I dare say today's debate, what's the solution, throws more questions than answers, if I have to be honest, because let me explain. Number one, more than 50 million cases are pending in Indian courts, Rahul. At the current pace, it would take us 323 years to clear the backlog. Worse, out of these 182,000 cases are as old as 30 years. As many as 244,000 cases are of rape and child sex offences. India has just 20 judges per million population, worse than sub-Saharan Africa. 38% of High Court and 21% of judicial positions overall lie vacant. 76% of all prisoners are under trials. The wheels of justice aren't just grinding slowly, Rahul. They have come to a halt. And as I said, the entire system is broke. And one of the primary reasons is judicial appointments, as you said. Yes, of course, this system where judges appoint judges need a serious overhaul. Around 50% of High Court judges and 33% of Supreme Court judges are related to senior judicial members. Only 250 families have ever sent judges to the Supreme Court. Conflict of interest is rife. At one point of time, 34% of the judges of a High Court had relatives working as lawyers in the same place. CGI Khare admitted corruption was rampant in lower courts. 9 Supreme Court judges said there was corruption in higher judiciary, a fact disclosed in the Supreme Court itself. And yet, no one but the judiciary, through Article 235 as well as the 1997 declaration, can investigate judicial corruption. Quite obviously, judicial appointments need to be overseen by a neutral party. But here is the thing. Please give me a minute. Are politicians neutral? Anything but. Anything but. Did you know the Congress blocked appointments of judges if they were in any way associated with the ideology of the RSS, or even so much as attended the funeral of an RSS person, as Justice Chandurkar did of Golwalkar? And let me not even go into how many Supreme Court verdicts did the Congress overturn because of appeasement and placating vote banks. The Shah Bano verdict, the bank nationalization verdict, to name but two. It is obvious that if they overturn a judge's verdict, they'd much rather not have that judge there in the first place. BJP and all other parties also cut from the same cloth. Make no mistake, Modi overturned the SC/ST Act verdict of Supreme Court with cross-party support. Given a chance, politicians will choose judges based on their ideological or religious predilection. 3. So what is the solution? A. In choosing judges, have not only a government representative, but also a representative chosen by the leader of the opposition. But then again, there is a danger of cartelization as politicians look out for each other and they will scratch each other's back. B. Have a merit-based exam and interview for all judicial appointments, including the highest one. I mean, if we can choose scientists and cardiac surgeons as the highest position based on their merit, why not the judges? Are judges any less of lifesavers than doctors? That's the question to be pondered, Rahul.